Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to reverse sear a steak. This will be a game changer in how you cook steaks from now on. So start with your steak. Any cut will work. It's the same technique. I've got a couple of ribeyes and they're sliced an inch thick. I prefer to have a thicker cut for this style of cooking, but you can do whatever you like. So you're gonna start by seasoning your meat. Use whatever you like. I'm gonna use some crushed peppercorn garlic from Pampered Chef. Today, you can use just salt and pepper. You can use Montreal steak seasoning, whatever seasonings you like. So I'm just gonna add some to both sides. My steak has been sitting at room temperature for about an hour. So that's what you wanna do first. Reverse sear means you are bringing the meat to a low temperature first at a low temperature grill or oven. And then you fire up the grill to 500 degrees and then you just do a quick sear at the end. This works because it brings the meat to a uniform temperature without overcooking any part of it. So to make this successful, I think it's helpful to have a probe. So you're gonna take your probe and you're gonna stick it into the meat. Now, in this case, it's a ribeye. So I've got some marbling here. I'm gonna be careful that my thermometer is going through the thickest part, but I don't want it to be in the middle of some of that marbling. So I've got it, the tip is about the center here. My instant read meat thermometer actually can be used on our grill, which is what I'm gonna do, and I'll just plug it in at the end. So let's go to the grill, we'll stick this on, and then I'll tell you a little bit more. All right, we're ready to put it on the grill. We actually have a Pit Boss. It's not a very expensive pellet smoker. I set the temperature at 225 degrees. So if you don't have a temperature marker on your grill, just put it really low. And this is going to take about anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna set it on there. And now my probe is right here. Just gonna close it gently. And I can plug it right into my reader. And I'm gonna pull it off, depending on your taste, I'm gonna pull it off when it's at about 115 degrees. That'll give a medium to medium rare steak. If you like it rare, you're gonna pull it off when it says 105 degrees. So we're just gonna let this do its thing for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'll watch the temperature and then I'll pull it off for the next step. All right, the temperature says 115 degrees. That's exactly where I want these to be. This is gonna give us medium rare. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. And you'll notice your meat looks kind of, I don't know, kind of brownish a little bit. It's not really cooked. It's just at the perfect temperature for the next step. So we are gonna let this rest off the grill. And now what you want to do is you're going to turn your grill on to 500 degrees. You're going to crank it straight up there. Once it's at 500 degrees, we'll be ready for the next step. So just let your steaks rest, let the grill heat up, and then we're going to do the next step together. The grill's now at 500 degrees. It's time to take the last step, and that is to sear the steaks. This is super hot. This is gonna happen very quickly. We're gonna get that classic crisscross grill marks that you notice when you eat a beautiful steak in a restaurant. You're gonna set it on the grill for 60 to 90 seconds. At the end of that, I'm gonna rotate it and we'll do the same on the other side. So about a minute and a half on each side and it will be ready to eat. Let's give it a turn. Gorgeous color. We'll go about another 30 seconds, rotate, and we'll be done. Our searing is finished. Let's go ahead and remove the steaks. We'll let them rest for about 5 minutes and they'll be ready to eat. Doesn't that look great? Try reverse searing. It changes everything.